yesterday. What is our sales document number? 008. 6008. 6008. మళ్ళీ ఒక 0 అని మరి స్క్రీన్ చూడండి. డాక్యుమెంట్ నెంబర్ 6008. Company code T4. So what is amount? ₹1 lakh. Scrap sales on TCS account is 1000 rupees. Then step number next. J1 INMI. Yes. Yesterday's date, right? Document number. And who's your customer? What's your official key? Chalana update, right? Select to execute. Select to execute. Select to 6008 according to your document. Select to Chalana update. ఇక్కడ దగ్గర రాసాము రాయలే కదా. మీరు ఇప్పుడు నేను లిస్టెడ్ లో పెడితే మీకు ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే రాదు కదా మీకు. ఈరోజు వచ్చినాయి వీడియోస్ వచ్చినాయి, లిస్టెడ్ లో పెడుతున్నా. అంటే జనరల్ గా అవుట్ సైడ్ అందరు కాకుండా ఓన్లీ మన వాళ్ళకి వచ్చేలా. Come back here. So when you click update, automatically the system will reflect like this. And what is your account number, TCS? Scrap sales on TCS 1%. What is your business area? T4H. Then press execute. When you click execute, automatically the system will redirect to the document. And here you have to write TCS payable, TCS on sales of scrap account. Write your business area. Enter document number. Again enter. So when you click enter, automatically the system will get here. What is your amount? 1000 rupees is TCS payable account amount. The system will reflect 1 rupee. Double click on here. Not assigned is equals to 0. Enter and save. When you click enter and save, automatically your system will reflect. Double click on TCS on sales of account. Enter and save. Once if you click enter and save, document 2 was posted in company code T4. Voucher number 6008. The financial year is 2024. Act of TCS 206C. Your tax key 4I. Chalana number. Okay, the Chalana number, Chalana date and amount. Okay, so 1001 is the Chalana number. Amount. After use a back arrow, select to bank Chalana status. Go to execute. Automatically your invoice is generated. What is your Chalana number? 1001. This is your customer account information. Just click here. Your invoice number, sales invoice number 6008. The voucher generated on date of 21st February 2024. This is your business place and section code, and it is your withholding tax key, the basic information of your procedure. Then after I'm going to update bank Chalana When you click bank chalana, this is your document number. This is your internal remittance chalana information, but your banker will give you one DD. Okay, for example, this number generated in our SAP system. When we are submitting for the bank chalana, banker will give you one identification. This identification number you have to write here. TCS, today's date is 22nd, right? 22nd, 02, 24, 01. 01 called voucher 1 from this date. So you have to write your bank key, execute. Chalana were updated. Document number 2, financial year. This is your internal number and this is your external number. This number is generated from SAP system and this number generated from your banker. Your banker will give you one DD, that is nothing but chalana. So the bank chalana is updated. You have to come back here. Select, you have to check the certificate status. When you click on certificate status and execute, the system will generate here. Okay. So yesterday we have done and today's. Just go to click here. Certificate printing. Okay. Whenever you have selected certificate number, automatically system is going to be redirect your basic informations. Now you write your signature of the procedure. So it's a Sree Krishna Infotech. Write your company basic informations because this address and communication will generate on your form, TCS form. Execute. Go to print preview. Automatically we got one form. Look here. Form number 16A, section number rule. So 31 is a TDS certificate. Actually, what certificate you need? TCS. Okay. But whenever you comes to programming, we have to select our program relevant of TCS. Basically, in my system, I'm having only one program. Because of that, I'm choosing TDS certificate number. If you go to live system, your program number will change. Okay, please come back here. Do you remember here? We have selected this program. Okay, this program actually is relevant of TDS. Here you have to change TCS program. Okay, so you ask your ABABer, then they will give you alternate program. But in our system, we don't have any program or configurations. Because of that, just I'm showing dummy report. Look here. This is our customer PAN account number. TCS on say scrap sales. Okay, so T4 details, PAN number. So and so date is your transaction. Is a TCS number. 1000 rupees is TCS amount. Address. Your basic. The way your certificate will generate. If you want to prepare a consolidation report is nothing but again you have to come back and select here consolidated report, means you get all informations into Excel sheet. Execute. Okay, here I'm having only 2 transactions. Go to list, export, local file, spreadsheet. Next, right here any program name. So here I'm giving 22nd of February 2024. .xls is called Excel format. Okay. And you can select your file location is a desktop. Generate. When you have selected generate, automatically the system will generate like this. Look here, the 22nd February 2024. This is your report. Okay, so I will do one more time how to calculate TCS procedures. And please check the screen.